Guys, the market is bleeding. The market is seriously bleeding. What's really going on? You know, this one was supposed to be the starting point of the bull run. That was expectation. We actually saw that when the month started. Cryptocurrency is really very high, and we were all excited, especially in BSC chain. All the coins on BSC chain really went very well. A lot of people made money, and all of a sudden, we did not expect this to happen at all, because every prediction was that from this October down to December is going to be that month that people are going to make crazy money in the market. And when the month started, we actually saw that, and I believe that you saw that your portfolio actually went up as well, and you're excited. And all of a sudden, just few days, the market went crashing. And as I'm speaking to you now, over $6 billion has been wiped out of crypto space. Not $1 million, not $2 million, all right? I'm talking of $6 billion has been wiped out of the market. And it's not funny, because it's affecting our portfolio as well. And a lot of people are asking questions: what really happened? Why is this? Why is that? What really happened? I thought this one was supposed to be that month that we're going to see a lot of upward movement, and all of a sudden we are now seeing a downtrend that we have not even seen for a very long time. What really happened? All right, so I'm going to explain what really happened in this video, so make sure that you stay glued to this video down to the end. All right, I know a lot of you are asking questions: what should I do to my portfolio and the rest of them? What I want to tell you is that stay glued to this video to the end, and please don't skip anything. I'm going to tell you exactly what you're going to do. All right, in this market, you need to know how to control your emotions and be disciplined. It's very important. All right, as I'm speaking to you now, I can't even look at my portfolio. It's just bad. But what do I do exactly? And what really went wrong? I'm going to explain this video, and at the same time, please do well to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. All right, if you're watching from YouTube, do well to subscribe to our channel. If you're watching from TikTok, do well to also follow us. All right, in this channel we bring you crypto updates and also take you through educational stuff that will help you to do well in this space. All right, and your support is also very, very important, and the only way you can support us is for you to actually like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Just few seconds of your time. All right, thank you for doing that in advance, and let's get into the video. All right, if you see my screen, right, you can see I'm in CoinMarketCap now. You can see how everywhere is red. All right, you can see the whole bloodbath in the market. It's not actually funny. Everything is going down. Practically everything is going down. And if you can see, look at USDT. You can see that USDT is actually very, very bullish. You know why this happens? A lot of people are selling their position. All right, that's why I say USDT actually bullish, because when people sell their position, they actually convert it to USDT, because USDT is a stable coin. All right, you can see it has been bullish by 80%. All right, this tells you how people are actually panic selling their portfolio. All right, so this is the CoinMarketCap, and let me just show you briefly the heat map. Let's see last 24 hours and see. So you can see last 24 hours. This is mind-blowing. This is really mind-blowing. You can see Bitcoin actually going down by 7.63%. You can see Ethereum going down by 13.46%. You can see BNB by 10.08%, and XRP. These are the top cryptocurrencies we have in this space. XRP go down by 15.62%. Right? You can see Solana by 16.73%. This is mind-blowing, right? You can see what is actually going on. So a lot of cryptocurrencies are actually going down. The market is actually bleeding. It's totally red. You can see it here on the heat map, right? And if you can also see on my chart here, this is Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin went all-time high to 126k dollars. $126k, right? I can see it went down to as low as 109k dollars. Imagine, before it went a little bit up to this point that we have now at 112k dollars. It shows you what actually happened in the last few days, right? It shows you what actually happened. Now let's see what exactly was the problem and what we expect to do. All right, so look at here. This guy says on Twitter, Trump just rocked October. I believe you want to write October here, okay? And you can see 100% tariff on China from November 1st. So now this is the article from Trump, right? Based on what China actually did. So let's just go to the article. It simply says it has just been learned that China has taken an extraordinary aggressive position on trade in sending an extremely hostile letter to the world, stating that they were going to, effective November 1st, 2025, impose large-scale export control on virtually every product they make, and some not even made by them. This affects all countries without exception, and it was obviously a plan devised by them years ago, right? So you can actually go through the whole article. I don't have that time, and here is the most important thing that I want to look at. Based on the fact that China has taken this unprecedented position, and I'm speaking only for the USA and not other nations who were similarly threatened, starting November 1st, 2025, or sooner, depending on the further action or changes taken by China. The United States of America will impose tariff of 100% on China, over and above any tariff that they are currently paying. Also, on the November 1st, we will impose export control on any and all critical softwares. Right, guys, this is the reason why the market is bleeding. And you ask yourself, this is just, we've not even gotten to November yet. November is not here yet, and just because of the fact that this news is actually going out there, it has not been implemented yet though, and the market is bleeding. What's going to happen when this news has been implemented? All right, so these are the things that people are looking at, and everybody is panic selling. You can see the way people are selling and the rest of them. So my advice for you is that, you can remember the last time that Trump was, doing a whole lot on tariff and the rest of them, or the crypto market was shaky, and you see a lot of bloodbath and the rest of them. And they come to a consensus and they relax the tariff, and after a while, this one now came up again. So I want to say this. A lot of people are asking questions: was it a trap? Would the bullrun actually come, or will it not come? I want to tell you this: the bullrun will definitely come. It will definitely come, and ability for you to control yourself and leave your portfolio the way it is very important. Very, very important. Forget whatever is going on. Forget whatever is happening. Bullrun is going to come. I know the market is moved by sentiment. When there are major news like this that affect the economy, it usually affect the market. Especially when the top countries like China and America are, fighting like this. It always affects the crypto space. But what I want to tell you is this: the bullrun will come, right? And it's hard now. So leave your portfolio the way it is, all right, and just keep watching. This thing that they're doing, it might just be like the last time finally they will just come together and decide and say, okay, let's do like this, because the thing is affecting the both countries, whether they like it or not. It will affect their economy, and they can see, all right. So they will come and sit down and say, okay, let's relax this thing and look and find and look for a consensus, right, where things can actually move on the way it's supposed to move on. So please, well, it's not a financial advice, right? It's your money. If you want to actually see your portfolio, you can go ahead and sell, all right? But I want to also advise, just leave it the way it is and just relax yourself, all right? The bullrun is going to come, and people are still going to make money in this space. So that's what I have for you in this video, and that's the major reason why you see what's going on in this space. And just relax yourself, okay? And things are going to move back to where it's supposed to be. That is crypto space for you. So it's all for the faint-hearted. Not for the faint-hearted, right? So that's what I have for you in this video, and please do well to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. If you're watching from YouTube, if you're watching from TikTok, do well to follow and also like the video as well. And thanks in advance for doing that, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.